Assalamu alaikum. Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wahda, wassalatu wassalamu ala man la nabiyya ba'da. So friends, today we decided to discuss about modern trends movement in Islam, Unit 10, and the topic 2, Muhammad Ali Pasha and his reforms. First of all, who is Muhammad Ali Pasha? He is an Albanian commander and he is also known as father of modern Egypt. Keep in mind, he is an Albanian commander and he is also known as father of modern Egypt. So now we discuss about the history of Egypt or history of modern Egypt under the control of Muhammad Ali Pasha and his reformation. We have started in 1798. The French invaded uh, the Egypt. Okay, at that time the Ottomans are in Egypt, and one side the Mamluks in Egypt, and in 1805 the Ottomans appointed Muhammad Ali as a governor in Egypt, and in 1810 by the help of Britain army, Muhammad Ali Pasha conquered Egypt from French. Okay, and in 1811 a big massacre under the control of Muhammad Ali Pasha against Mamluk, and thousands of Mamluks killed. Okay, after the 1810 the Egyptian controls are centralized, and under the control of Muhammad Ali Pasha, developments are increased, and they conquered many different cities. In 1820, he conquered Nubia, and 1821 he conquered Sinar city in Sudan, and 1826 he suppressed Greek revolt. Okay, and after he reached a high position and he reached a high fame, the Egypt are almost under the control of Muhammad Ali Pasha. So in because of some reason, in 1831 Muhammad Ali Pasha turned against the Ottoman, and in 1831 his son Ibrahim conquered Syria, Konya, and Kottahia. That are under the control. That properties are under the control of Ottoman, but they conquered. Who conquered? Muhammad Ali Pasha conquered. These are from the Ottomans. So some issues are between Ottomans and Muhammad Ali Pashas are developed, rised, and this make the conflict. This led to a conflict and conquered Muhammad Ali Pasha the territories under the control of the Ottomans. Okay, and at last in 1832 a treaty between Muhammad Ali Pasha and Ottoman Sultan Mahmud. Okay, because of some pressure, foreign pressures, and at that time, because as a result of that treaty in 1832, the Egypt and Syria, in that treaty, the Syria under the control of who? Muhammad Ali Pasha. Okay, in 1832 Syria under the control of Muhammad Ali Pasha. Okay, but in 1841 Ottoman Sultan retake the Syria, but at the time of 1840 the almost hereditary control of Egypt under the Muhammad Ali Pasha. Other word, he make a rule his own to the Egypt by the hereditary control. Okay, so next we decided to explain reformation. Which kind of reformations are take under the control of Muhammad Ali Pasha? So first of all, he make a modern face to the Egypt. In which are the fields are? He make a modern face in Egyptian army and social systems and politics. Different kinds of face changed into a tradition, changed into a modern system by the development form of Muhammad Ali Pasha. Okay, first one is he developed an modern Egyptian army. Okay, he make a new Egyptian army by the help of French proficients. Okay, second one is he added Egyptians. That means most of them are Egyptian peasants, but till that Egyptians are not included in army. Okay, that time, till that time, Turkish and Arabians are the control of army, but Egyptians are enter into the control of army, and he built a modern army school, etc. So he decided to modernize the system of Egypt. Okay, so second one is social development. He expand Alexandria shipport, and he make a new ship industries, and he improve the foreign investments, and one of them are he construct a dam on Nile. The first dam on Nile is constructed by Muhammad Ali Pasha. Okay, and the next one is education development. In 1813, many reformations or many developments are came under the Muhammad Ali Pasha in the field of education. So in 1813, students are Muhammad Ali Pasha sent students into Europe for to study the modern education and to understand the modern education, and his aim to adopt a modern education system in Egypt. So for that, necessary to understand the modern education system through sending people students into the Egypt. And second one, he built a vocational schools. Third one, in 1816, he made a school for military officers, and 1826 he made a school for accountant, 1827 for doctors, and 1829 he made school for administration, and 1835 he made for language and literature. Okay, and the next one is what is the economic development under the time of Muhammad Ali Pasha. He built different markets in Egypt, so the growth and trades are improved rapidly, and he increased the connection between or the trade between Egypt and Europe. So 31 percentage of in 1849, 31 percentage of cottons are exported into the Egypt to in different countries and different lands. So agriculture is drastically rapidly increased, especially in cotton. Different kinds of modern technologies are used in Egypt for what, for to improve the agriculture, and the modern technologies are used to improve the agriculture, and many irrigation facilities are built. Many irrigation facilities are adopted to improve the agriculture. Okay, all under the government of Muhammad Ali Pasha. Okay, and the communication increased rapidly, and the steamboats are used in Nile, and the construction of new canal. Example, different canals are constructed in that time. The main one is Mahmudia Canal in 1819. In that time, the population is rapidly increased. In 1805, when the time of Muhammad Ali Pasha came into the Egypt as a commander by Ottomans, at that time the population is 15,000, but in 1847 the population is 1.5 million. So many foreigners are migrated uh, into the Egypt for to improve their company or improve their trades, and In the last 1847, at the time of 1847, the city of Alexandria is densed by the people. Okay, these are the reformations and developments under the control of Muhammad Ali Pasha.